Give it to me like.
Hey guys, today I'm going to open my baby doll toys. Come on guys, let's open it. Guys, I'm so happy about my new toys. Wow, a clay. Oh. This is a baby bottle when the baby gets hungry. Oh look guys, this is a weapon. Look guys, a medicine. So this is a syringe. Stethoscope for a sick baby. Come on guys, let's pretend play. My baby in the eyes when sleeping will close his eyes. Baby is sleeping. Be quiet. He's sleeping well. Baby, I'm sticky. Okay. Scope. Too small. That's a rattle, Kuya.
Anyways.
Oh, baby. I like that toy. Give me that toy. You will be the daddy, okay?
Okay.
So I will be the doctor. Okay. How can I help you? What is it? Hey, that's mine. I think. Oh, against stethoscope. Beep beep. Beep beep. Beep beep. Beep beep. Beep beep. Nothing.
Night ride?
You need some milk. Now medicine.
This is small. Ow. 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 A big one.
And he wants it. He wants the mama. No, you hold this. So you hold this and then put it in here. The mouth.
I'm pretty sure that gives milk to the baby.
Yes, like that. I'm hungry, mommy. Okay, let's give you some food. Spoon in a fork. Not funny in this one, and this one. Let's scoop up the soup. Noodles again. Ow! Ow! It's too ouchy. Baddie. Wow. Oh, look guys, my baby size is closed. When I put it up, the baby size is open. I'm a doctor. I'm Doctor Jackson. Now. Let's take a small injection first. Put it in Jackson's headboard. And then another one. And then a big one coming at you. That's what it's all about. Now he's feeling better. That's all he wants to do. To feel better, he needs a tip. Let's give him one. So cool, I'm sleeping really, baby. Oh, adorable sleeping. Yay. Little ducky toy. Let's take a bath, baby. Yay, I'm taking a bath. That's a swimsuit. Always. But you need to remove your hat. You cannot. Oh. Not remove her hat, actually. It's a sapphire. Stop. I love it. Now. Yay, I'm done. I'm all clean. Time to drink milk. One drip, two drips, all of the drips down there. Now we need to feed you. Come on, baby, you can drink it. Whole one. Yeah, mama. Okay, then you go. Clap your hands, clap your hands, clap your hands. My baby is still awake and the baby. So I can play, rainbow bright, rainbow bright. My baby still has tummy ache. Still has a lot of medicine. So thank you for watching. Bye. Subscribe and like my video.